Hi guys, it's Adam. Hope you're all keeping well. Some of you know me, some of you won't. It's going to be a good few years since I've done anything online. Probably 4, maybe slightly more. It's, well, 3.5 years pre-COVID, isn't it? So yeah, 4 years, maybe even 5. So I hope you're all keeping well. A lot of things have changed with me, personal life, work life, etc. Gone through a pretty tough time the last couple of years, but getting there slowly now. And just thought I'd come on and share something with you. This is what I've now been doing for the past few months. It's something that I've researched for a good while. I've been in contact with the person who is my mentor for the past couple of years, and this is a business opportunity. It's affiliate marketing, but it's high ticket affiliate marketing. So you're not getting paid 10 quid, 15 quid just for selling, I don't know, a microwave or something. This is big money. You can be earning 2 to 3 grand commission on each sale. So it's big money. There's people all over the world doing this. It is purely linked to one company who have been going for 50 years, and they use affiliate marketers to sell for them rather than using their own sources of advertising. So I just thought I'd come on and share with you what this is, or what I'm now doing. I'm going to go into more depth over the next week or so, like I say, and just thought I'd let you have a look. Now, there's a form down below. If you do have any interest, there's a form down below with a few questions on, which give you a little bit of an idea. And at the end of that, you can either drop your email address or your WhatsApp number, and I'll give you a message with the link to have a look at this if you want. I will also explain anything that you want to know, ask any questions you feel you want to, once I've emailed or texted you, and it's entirely up to you. So this is the home page. It's very simple, and it does involve an investment, don't get me wrong. It's not totally free, and the initial video will tell you that. Initial investment 77 quid, but that sets you up with, that's all the training, that's the website built for you, and then obviously the bulk of it is you have to purchase from the company, and at that point you can become a seller for them. So that's all it boils down to. It's not you're buying an item. It's not just invest some money. You will get a physical item for it. So it's not a Ponzi scheme, not pyramid marketing. It is affiliate marketing. You are getting an item for it. You're getting a physical piece of equipment. But again, I'll explain it more in detail as we go along. If you do want to know a bit more sooner than that, then like I say, fill in the form below and I'll send over the information to you. Anyway, hope you're all keeping well, and I will see you all soon, guys. Next day or two I will put another video on explaining a little bit more. Take care.